Hey, so today I'm going to show you a really fun project. There's actually two projects in this one bag. This is the Martelli. It is our Hot Dignity scarf and bag set, and it is absolutely fun to make. And I've had a lot of people that absolutely love these. I mean, they're coordinating, but they are useful. So I'm just going to show you these Hot Dignity scarf and bag sets. So we got the two templates that are in here. So I'm going to open up. Plus you have the full written instructions that goes over everything on how to cut your fabric, fold it, and put your projects together. But again, this is both the pieces, A and B. You need them both, and they all have that amazing brown fabric that's on the back, so that when you set it down on your fabric, it's going to grip it and hold it, so you can easily get everything cut. Follow the directions on here. You've got fold lines, you've got cut lines. It's just a fantastic template set that you can use to make your projects. So let me show you a couple of examples of the Hot Dignity bag and the scarf set. Here is the scarf. Let me show you why it's called the Hot Dignity. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look how big this is. This one has the flannel. We put some flannel on the back on it, but this is designed so that you can wear, it's stylish. Anybody can wear this as a regular scarf, but it also was made so that you could protect your clothes. So that's why we're calling it Dignity, Hot Dignity. It gives you some dignity. So instead of having to wear a scarf or have a napkin in here or a bib or whatever, this just gives you a little bit more dignity to protect your clothing when you're eating. But you can also have this awesome little discreet bag that you would be able to put your scarf in, and it's just adorable. So the instructions show you how to make the bag, everything to do this bag, the strap, and how to make this cute embellishment little bow. Let me show you this one because you can see the bow a little bit better on this one, but the instructions on here also on how to make this cute little bow. And you just use a snap and just open it up, and when you are done, you just take your scarf off and you can just put it into the bag. Now I've made these for just making just the scarves and having different material with it. This one here I did, and I've got the terry cloth fabric in it. I've made it with the minky to make it really soft. I've done it with I don't know, fleece and flannel, just so many different materials that you can use to make the Hot Dignity. They just look really, really stylish, but then it also has a useful use as a scarf when the weather cools down a little bit for us. Again, this is the Martelli Hot Dignity scarf and bag, so be sure to pick up yours today.